Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to enable login alerts on the Instagram app using your PC, featuring the new update. This feature is crucial to stay informed whenever someone tries to access your account from a new device or location, enhancing your security effortlessly. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the More icon. This is where you'll find additional options to manage your account. Next, navigate to Settings, then select the Account Center. The Account Center is the hub where Instagram consolidates your account and security settings, making it easier to control your profile protection features. Once inside the Account Center, choose Password and Security. This section contains all the critical options for securing your account, including the login alert features. Now, click on Login Alerts, then select your Instagram account from the list. This allows you to customize where and how you receive notifications concerning login attempts. Finally, look for the option labeled In-App Notifications and activate it. This ensures you will receive instant alerts directly within the Instagram app whenever there is a login attempt on your account from an unrecognized device or location. By following these steps, you add a strong layer of protection to your Instagram profile. From now on, you will be immediately notified of any suspicious login activity, allowing you to take quick action to secure your account. Stay secure and enjoy peace of mind, knowing your Instagram account is better protected. Thank you for watching.